Hello and welcome back to my channel Vision of Art. In today's vlog, I'm going to demonstrate one more time a beautiful one-sided tall glass flower arrangement. It's a quick and easy arrangement, so keep watching. So in this tall glass, I have fixed in a Dracaena leaf. In between, I have fixed 3 of the bamboo sticks or dry sticks. The reason I have fixed it just to give a base for the oasis, which I'm going to fix just at the rim of the glass container. It's a cylindrical glass container, which you could also call as a tall glass. Now first, I'm going to fix in the green foliage. So foliage basically means all the different types of green leaves, stems, sticks that you could use to make a flower arrangement more lively, increase the height or decide its symmetry. So here I'm going to use palm leaf. Palm leaves or foliages which have long stem help us to create a backdrop or a design which also helps to increase the length of a flower arrangement. So with the help of palm leaf and one of the table palms which are fixed right at the bottom of the oasis, it also helps to cover the oasis and create a nice backdrop and a design element to the entire arrangement. Palm leaves are very easily available foliages. They last for a long period of time, at least 7 days, so you could easily use it to create backdrops. Here I thought of creating one more design element by placing the foliage on the sideways. I used 2 of the palm leaves which are first trimmed. So there is a dedicated video where I have demonstrated how to do different cuts of foliages before you fix it. In the description box you would find the vlog link. Do watch it for making some more beautiful designs. Okay, so let's continue with the flower arrangement. I have already created a design. Now in the center, I am going to fill in very beautiful flowers. These are called as chrysanthemums. So this arrangement can be easily made with a bunch of chrysanthemums and few foliages like the palm leaf, and your arrangement could be ready. This arrangement could last for at least 5 to 6 days because both the flowers and the foliage have a very good shelf life. Some principles of flower arrangement. Whenever you create a design, you always decide on the focal point. So as you can see, I have placed a bunch of flowers right at the center of the arrangement. And slowly and steadily, I try to fix in flowers on all sides so that they give a balance to the arrangement. So always keep in your mind, when you're fixing the flowers, you should always fix it in a diagonal direction. If you find an emptiness in between the flowers, you could fix in some more foliages in it. I have used a local foliage in between the flowers which is green in color. The reason why we always highlight green color because it makes the flowers look more natural. I have also used one more foliage called as gypsum. It's easily available foliage and it is very beautiful with this white small flowers at the tip of the foliage. So as we are about to complete with the flower arrangement, I will make sure that flowers are well distributed. They have a good amount of foliage on all sides, and also because if I want to add some more color element, I could use some of the flowers on different angles. Here I am using orchids on both the sides. Now to cover the back of an arrangement, it's also important that the base or the back of the flower arrangement should always be covered so that oasis is not seen and it gives out a very neat and a clean finish. I have fixed in first a table palm which is broader in size, and then few more sticks of the foliage that's palm leaf on all the sides so that we cover it completely and the internal part, that's the oasis, is not directly seen. So with this we come to the end of this beautiful flower arrangement. we have properly covered the back of the arrangement, and this is how the arrangement looks. If you like the video today, please hit the like button, do share it with your friends, and yes, subscribe. Thank you so much.